Earthquake early warning. Strong shaking expected. Earthquake early warning. Strong shaking expected.
This is an early earthquake warning issued by the U.S. Geological Survey in Southern California. Prepare for strong tremors. Again, an activation of the early earthquake warning system has occurred for Southern California. Stay calm and protect yourself. Live video feed from Monterey County, showing violent shaking.
Seismic intensity is in. Areas of 6 lower were observed from Alameda, Santa Clara, San Benito, San Luis counties. Areas of 6 upper was also observed from Monterey counties. More updates are in. Areas of more 6 lower have been added. San Joaquin, Stanislaus, Merced, South Madera, and Fresno. Further updates show. Areas of 6 upper have been added. Santa Clara, Alameda, and San Bernardino. A maximum seismic intensity of 7 has occurred. Santa Clara, Monterey, San Benito. 6 upper in. San Luis, Santa Barbara, Ventura, Los Angeles, Alameda, South Fresno. 6 lower in. Stanislaus, San Joaquin, Merced, Kern counties. 5 upper in. North Fresno, North Madera, Western Kern, Kings counties. 5 lower in. Inyo, Tulare, San Bernardino, Riverside, Orange County, San Diego, Imperial. An extra revision has occurred. Orange County intensity 5 upper. We now await further information.
This is an emergency tsunami warning. This is an emergency tsunami warning. A major tsunami warning has been issued for Monterey County. The estimated time of waves arrivals begins from 12:20 p.m. Estimated height of waves is 10 to 15 meters. San Luis County estimated time of waves arrivals begins from 12:25 p.m. Estimated height of waves is 10 to 12 meters. A tsunami warning has been issued for Alameda Cove. The estimated time of waves arrivals begins from 12:40 p.m. The estimated wave heights are 3 to 6 meters. The North Pacific coast of Santa Barbara, estimated time of wave arrivals is 1 p.m. with an estimated heights of 5 to 6 meters. The Pacific coast of Los Angeles, estimated time of wave arrivals is forecasted around 1:25 p.m. with an estimated heights of 2 to 4 meters. The North Pacific coast of Orange County, estimated time of wave arrivals is forecasted at 1:35 p.m., estimated heights ranged from 2 to 3 meters. A tsunami advisory has been issued for Mendocino County, estimated time of arrival is 2:20 p.m., estimated wave heights of 50 centimeters. Marin County, 2:15 p.m., wave heights estimated at 50 centimeters. The Pacific coast of San Diego, estimated time of 1:30 p.m., Estimated wave heights of 50 centimeters to 1 meter. The South Pacific coast of Orange County 1:45 p.m., 1 meter. If you are in these locations, evacuate immediately to higher ground. Never approach the mouth of a river or stay near the sea. Go to higher ground now. Tsunami may come sooner than estimated times and waves may be higher than forecasted. Again, this is an